Hi India, I'm just record a quick video to show you how you can add contact into Dial's Mailchimp. So what you can do is go to this tab called Audience. This one, Audience. When you click a tab, then you go to something called Work Contact. Go to Work Contact. When you go to Work Contact, then what you can do is add a contact. So you add a contact, add a subscribers. I'm just going to put a dummy email address because I'm going to upload it to YouTube, so I don't want to put in my real email address. Let's say I just put it 1 2 3 4 5. Let's say I just put anyone's email address. Let's say Jason GN. Let's say 1 2 3 4 5 gmail.com. I don't have his email address, but I'm just put it on like a dummy one. And let's say my name is Jason and GN. Let's just put a dummy mobile also for 111. Yeah, I just put a dummy one, and so then you don't have to choose anything here. Text and the tag, don't worry about it, just tick this too. So what you need to do is put email, name, and mobile, and tick this one, and tick this two tag, and subscribe. And when you do it, so the contact detail will be in the list, as you can see, 2008 now. And so if you go to here, do a search. You search Jason Gunn. I think you can find everything. Oh, let's see if you search about the yeah, so you can find out here now, as you can see. And yeah, so that's pretty much, yeah. And if you wanted to remove the person, go to the profile and remove the contact. Then you can remove the contact and permanently delete it. So just write down permanently delete it. So type permanently delete. Then I'm going to delete the person. Okay, so that's basically how to add a new person and how to delete a person in the Mailchimp. If you do have any other question, let me know. Thank you. Bye.